Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Selly, and you know what? We haven't done a shop walk in a while, guys. So I thought, you know what? It's perfect time. We're kicking into February here. Boats are finally starting to roll through the shop out of the manufacturer. So let's go take a walk out here, and let's go check out some of the cool projects we've got going on and see what's good out here. So first thing you're going to see actually when we get out here is we have this Steiger Craft right here. This Steiger Craft is getting a whole bunch of stuff. Kind of see up there, it is getting 4 of the Dura Brite lights up there. Those are replacing the old school smaller LED lights. So he's got that going on there. And then also going on up on the bow, let's see if we can kind of see it up there. You can see another Dura Brite rather, under the radar. And then also right there, that big boy is getting installed right there. So we are doing a Winless install on there with that new drum style above deck mount. So that's going on. I think that's also getting a transducer installed and a couple other odds and ends and widgets and things. So that one, hopefully next week, we should be getting that thing wrapped up there. So as we make our way to the other side of the shop here, you can see we have the Reef Runner here, and we are in the home stretch of wrapping up this one. We put on a Rodan trolling motor. That's a 24-volt trolling motor right there. So that needed a dedicated battery charger, getting things set up there. And then last but not least, we have this Southport DC here. So we're going to have a full walkthrough video on this one, but some of the highlights to go over. It's got the full LumiShore package. That means we've got a trio of the SMX53 lights. We've got our engine cowling lighting on the Mercs there. We've also gone ahead up here underneath, and we've got another underwater light pair right there. So this thing's going to be glowing. It's got a FLIR, it's got radar, it's got a bunch of stuff. So we're going to get up there, we're going to do another video. You guys are going to want to tune in probably, I don't know, tomorrow or whatever, I guess, depending on when you're watching this. It might just be the next video up in queue and what's going on for this build. So yeah, that's it. It's kind of the cool stuff we've got going on in the shop right now as we continue to roll in and ramp up. We've got another 33 offsite at our other building. That's getting all squared away. We're going to be doing some video posts of that progress as well here real soon. So thanks for tuning in. As always, if you haven't done so yet, hit the like, subscribe, share button on YouTube to stay up to date and in the know. Sundays to Selly every Sunday at 10 o'clock. And yeah, that's it. That's all I got. See you guys next time.